guys, it's your girl Airiana.
Hey guys, it's Aiden, and today there's a new movie called Toy Story 4. It just came out.
And we're going to
for Pit Stores.
and today we're going to make how to make your own Forky, and this is all of the supplies you need to use.
So we have Play-Doh.
We have
forks.
Forks. We have paints.
We have fuzzy sticks.
We got googly eyes.
We have glue.
And we got the sticks.
We have Forky's legs.
Okay, guys, time to get started.
All right.
And 3,
2, 1, let's
go.
start. I'm going to begin with my feet first.
Ow. I think my fork is going to be cool.
Look, guys, the Play-Dohs are big.
Airiana, can you help me?
Yes, sure. Yeah. All right.
What color is your Play-Doh, Aiden?
Blue, light blue.
Ari, what color is yours?
Well, my Play-Doh is purple. You gotta make it like the same size as the white Forky, but you can use different colors if you want.
And you can paint it.
Yep.
So what are you guys doing right now? You're making your base?
Yep. You're making its feet.
That's not the feet.
Yes, it is. You put this.
Like this.
Yeah, but just make it a little bit more bigger. Like 9.
Like this. But that's too big.
Doesn't matter. It's supposed to be big like that.
Wow.
I'm working hard.
I need the glue.
You're making its arm?
No, the legs.
No, it's fine. If you just put it the legs like that. It's hard like this for the base.
I'm doing the
'Cause
legs now.
When you put it in here, it will like slip out. Alright.
Everyone,
Use
look at
paint, Ari, for the face.
Hey everyone,
Oh.
look at my
Good
fork.
job, Aiden.
Job.
Okay, now it's time to put on his eyes.
I need glue, Airiana.
I'm not gonna use the googly eyes. I'm just gonna use the black paint.
Wait a second. This all wrong. Forky had to be like
Can you
this.
open it?
Sure. Forky had to be like this backwards.
I know.
Airiana.
Mine's just backwards too. You got it? Thank you, Mom. So
Look at
I'm
the
just gonna
eyes.
use the blue for the eyeballs.
I think he had big eyes, don't he?
Yep.
No, I'm just going to do little ones. He have a big and little. I hope this won't dry out.
What won't dry out?
My Forky. His eyes is big. I'm gonna make it quite a little. Quite little. Because it's too big. It won't fit. That won't make it won't have no space. Okay, I'm done with the.
Oh, good job. Did you put
Everyone-
glue on it? Oh, yep, you did.
Everyone, look at my Forky.
That looks like a good Forky.
Now it's time to paint on the eyebrows and the mouth, Aiden.
Aiden, can you hand me the Mom, I'm gonna go get the
Mommy, this way don't work. It's like a purple.
because the blue and red.
Stop mixing it up, Airiana.
I didn't. I just put the blue.
I need to erase this. They're looking bad now.
Now put on the arms, Aiden.
I had to erase this. Put on the arms. Okay. How you put on the arms? Can you help me?
You need to like glue it, or you can be like that. It's cool.
I had to go in the back, in the front. Airiana, I had to go in the front.
Give it to Mom.
Wait. For a second. I don't want to put his.
Do you like it? Big and little one. Space. It's like a volcano or a rock, but a rock stuck in a fork.
I'm just going to put in my plate now.
You gotta wait until the party's done.
Can you give it to me?
All right.
Forky.
Oops, sorry.
Need my legs. Forky's.
You're all done, Aiden?
No,
You're not done yet?
no, the legs. It's rolling out.
Oh, it's fine.
Yay, Forky's done.
Good job, Aiden. You did a great job.
Yeah, you did, Aiden.
It kind of looked like the real Forky, but kind of don't, because the eyes and the mouth.
What's his name?
Forky. Because it looked like the real Forky.
How's it going, Ari?
Good. Well, I'm just gonna play
I'm
my
giving him-
Forky.
My Forky's gonna have blue hair.
Forky don't have no blue hair.
I know.
He have white.
I know. Wait,
Well-
let me see. Do.
They're trying to copy my mouth.
No.
That's all with the mouth. Mine's started out purple. Can I see that for a second?
Yeah.
Get your arms, Airi.
Alright.
I'm gonna make it off a mad face because Forky, he's kind of mad. See, look at my Forky now. He's mad. I made him mad now. I am not a toy. Did it. Wait,
Okay, turn it around so we can see.
Airiana, that's a go for Sporky.
Forky.
Sporky. Imagine if Forky name will
Yay.
be Sporky.
Good job, Airiana.
And I'm going to
And
name.
Forky.
I'm going to name mine. Toy Story. I'm just kidding. Starlight. Do you think that's a good name, guys?
And comment down below is this a good name? Forky.
Yeah, Forky's too.
And-
Well, bye, guys.
Oh,
Thank
and
you
wait,
for
wait,
watching.
wait. I am not a toy. I make for soup, salad, maybe chili, and then the trash. Freedom!
Bye, guys.